What's up everybody, Brian Tong here, and I'm flanked by a whole bunch of holiday lights from Govee because yes, they are sponsoring this video, but if you saw earlier, I did a video where I really completely transformed my living room home theater. We tricked out a bedroom, and I also got some functional lighting in the kitchen thanks to Govee. But what we're gonna do now here, right, the holidays are coming up, we wanna be in the spirit, and we have a variety of different lights from them. There's a lot of technology in here, the way that it can detect, sense, and create scenes. So we have things like this, the Christmas string lights 2, wrap around your tree. We've got some outdoor lights here like the Icicles, but I'm really excited about the permanent outdoor lights Prism. That's something that Govee just came out with, and they say permanent because you're gonna be able to really rock with these all year long, multiple years. Plus, we have the curtain lights that create these cool scenes that I could never make myself, right? All of this is intelligent lighting, it's LED lighting, and to get in the holiday spirit, I say let's just put these in different places around my house and see what happens. All right, so we obviously have a whole bunch of lights, but I wanna start here because this is really the foundation of everything, the Govee Permanent Outdoor Lights Prism. So what we're gonna do, let's open this up and just give you a lay of the land of how we're gonna actually approach this, because there does have to be some planning involved. So here we have the string lights themselves. They come in bunches here, but what I wanna show you here is this is their most advanced lighting system. You have 3 LEDs, 3 lenses on top of that, right? They're the brightest, they're most vibrant. Also, the way that you can attach them here, there's this sturdy, durable 3M material, but if you want something even more solid, this actually works really well. You can even physically screw them into place. So we're gonna have to arrange this, really lay these lights all out, and then put them up on the eaves of my house. So I head outside to set up our permanent outdoor lights Prism, and you really gotta plan this stuff out. You need to figure out the length of lights required. You need to figure out where your power outlets are around your house. So this is not something you just jump up and start putting the lights up. No, you need to plan this out, but you gut up on that ladder, you pop it up in those eaves in between those spots on my roof. Even I use a power drill to screw in to make it a more permanent for some of them. You can do that all the way, but that's just up to you, just to really secure some of these light prisms up there. Now this took most of the day. I'm saying around 4 or 5 hours. You can see we kept on progressing around the edge of the back of the house. Finally, we got that done. You can see the light of the day kept on going down. So as it gets a little darker, we put up the current lights 2 setup. This is a lot easier. So we have a 3M material on a plastic fastener. I pop it onto the garage, and then each of those little white modules just hook right in, and then it creates this curtain that goes all the way across 14 feet wide. This is teamwork. You can't do this stuff by yourself. Teamwork is required, but it's pretty simple and easy. It's just tedious to do. Yeah, come. Oh. All right, so we showed you, we got the Govee current lights 2 up and running. We still have a lot to play with and show you there, but now let's put up these Icicle lights. Bring a little Christmas spirit. Icicles in LA, who doesn't want that? We wrap it again, figure out your distances from one side to the other. We only need to use one of the Icicles to get the front of this garage, but we have both of those in. Then what do we gotta do? We gotta plug them in just to make sure they're good to go. And yes, voila, it works, it works. We're still not done yet. Look, what would holiday lights be without the Govee cone tree lights? So we're gonna set this bad boy up now. Okay, everybody, we are back inside now because let's be honest, going outside there, it is getting cold and you really gotta plan things out. It takes some time to set up, but we will go back outside for the final setup. But we're inside now because you know what? We're gonna decorate the house. So what I have here on the bottom, the Christmas string lights 2, those are gonna go on this tree. It's actually a 164-foot string of lights. Plus we got on top the Christmas sparkle string lights, 66 feet each. We're gonna decorate this room, get in the holiday spirit. So enough of me talking, let's just do it. Let's just say this setup was a lot easier than going outside. All I had to do with the Christmas string lights too is just wrap them around and around the tree, and they were pretty much good to go. The sparkle string lights, that was fun. John and I had to figure out a strategy of how we wanted to outline the house and make it pop. But again, you're using those command strips that stick on the wall for your wire management, and we're able to trace along the edges of the house. All right, everybody. So now that's all set up, right? All the house inside lights are ready to go. I have the Govee app. The pairing process is the same. You launch the app, you then look for the light that you plugged in, you hit the physical button, it goes through the syncing process, it goes through the firmware update, and then you finally now have access where it recognizes the device. Right here, right, we can have the option to change these colors to really be specific. Here's blue, right? All these lights are blue. I can change it to something more drastically different like a red. But where it's really fun here is now, again, we go into the scenes, and this is where you have some of these different natural scenes, but I like to go to Festival because we are in the holiday spirit. So again, we see these, let's try Christmas Bell, and you'll now see these lights are animating and changing. It's a combination of red and white twinkles. That's really cool. Let's go to something here like Christmas Tree, just for fun. This is emulating a Christmas tree with greens and then hits of some of those ornament lights like whites and blues and purples and oranges. So this is all done here on the app, and you can do that with every light that you have. So we have our Christmas tree here, and there's a lot of scenes that you can set it up to look like a variety of different things, but let's take things up another level because I have a feature called shape mapping that I want to show you. And what you're going to do is first pull up all your different devices here. I'm going to find Christmas tree lights and hit that. And then in the top right hand corner, you're going to hit settings. All right, that icon there. Then you're going to look down and you'll see this option called shape mapping. And this is where it gets fun. So what we're gonna do here is actually visually detect how the lights are arranged, and then it's gonna create a 3D map. So I'm gonna take a step back here now, okay? And I'm gonna get this tree in frame of the camera, and I'm gonna hit start, and it's gonna do a countdown. And it's gonna take a few moments, but it says recording in progress, keep your phone stable. And now what we have here, it's recognizing what we just shot, and you'll see an image that essentially places all the dots. I can even look at a 3D model and really get a sense of, oh, this is what the tree is. You can even see how from the backside, I ran the cable of lights down the back there. So now this is where things get fun, right? Recognition complete. Let's go back here now and check out our scenes. What you'll see now is there are certain scenes with the letter B after them, capital B, and what that allows you to do is that's using the shape mapping, and you're gonna have a whole bunch of different animations. So we see this tree setup, this is nice, this is friendly, but let's do something like candy cane. And you can tell this levels up. Look at the lights are moving white and red from bottom to top, right? A lot more action, a lot more excitement. This is more festive. Okay, let's check out Christmas Bell, right? Now these are kind of moving more in a circular direction, and you can see it takes advantage of that shape mapping. So this is all really cool. We're gonna leave here with Christmas Gift and see what that one looks like. And there you go. Sparkle, lights changing, colors. So shape mapping, this is a really cool feature here that you can play with the Christmas tree. But there is still one more thing we want to show you. Now we changed things up a little bit. We moved the Christmas tree lights over here. Now we have here the Govee Backlight 3 light, all right? That's behind the TV that gives you that extra complimentary glow with the content you're watching. We obviously have the string light still here, and I'm gonna show you DreamView because this is gonna give you a really immersive way to combine all these lights that at times are arranged like your Christmas lights, but what if we wanna have them complement what's on the TV screen that we're watching? So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go to this section called Shortcuts, and up in the top right-hand corner, you'll see some icons, and I'm gonna hit on this icon called DreamView. Now from DreamView, we can create, and it's gonna start off with the Govee backlight as the foundation of this. So I'm gonna select that right now. And it's connecting to it, which is great. But what we wanna do is actually combine and add other devices. So it's gonna say control device. I'm gonna hit a plus sign here though on the bottom, and it's gonna allow me to add on other additional lights. So what do we have here? So we know that we have the Christmas tree lights over here. I'm gonna click on that. We have string lights 1 and 2, so I'm gonna select both of those. And I'm gonna hit confirm. And then it's gonna show the placement of from where the display is and where my lights are. We're good to go here, so I'm just gonna hit confirm. We're gonna go with multicolor. And this is where it gets interesting. So I'm gonna go back here now, and I have this option now in my shortcuts for movie watching, and with DreamView, I'm gonna hit on, and it's gonna apply it. And what's gonna happen is over time, my lights are gonna morph here. Now you see this pink that's complementing it here. The tree is now complementing this. And let's just play our video now. And what you'll see is as this changes, all the lights in your room change along with it. Whether you have string lights or other types of Govee lights, this DreamView really kind of immerses you even more and makes this another incredible way to involve all of your lights. Now, you know what? We showed you all the cool stuff we can do inside. It's time to go outside. We have this color rainbow that establishes it. Look, there's other things that I can do here. If I really want to, right, I can make it, oh, look at this. Look at it, change to purple just now. Change to blue just now. Let's go to red. But this is where it gets really fun. We're gonna go here to scenes. And now look, we've got all these different scenes. I want the holiday scenes. So these are natural themes. Let's go here to festival. All right, should we hit Christmas tree? Oh my God. Dude, come on, how cool is that? Let's try Santa Claus. No! Look, there's a reindeer. He's going to their Santa. Santa's coming. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Look at that's my garage door. Oh, this is so fun to see this for the first time. Ooh, let's just do one more. Christmas dance? Oh no. Christmas dance. Santa is this is how amazing is this to have an experience like this? That is so cool. So we showed you some of the different scenes, but this is pretty cool, right? AI art generator. I was just playing around here and I said, hey, you know, I want to see a pineapple surfing. And it took a few moments, but it actually generated that image and then was able to display that image on the current lights too. That's just some fun creativity that you can do, and that's all within the Govee app. That's a pineapple surfing. Playing with the icicles, you could change it up between a variety of different colors, right? The blue icy look. I kind of like the idea of just icicles being white. They contrast the current lights. So white for the icicles, that's good for me. And then when we want to play around with the cone tree light, right? This is, again, using some of those different scenes and really seeing how it pops. Like my backyard has truly come alive. All right, so we are now synced to the Govee Permanent Outdoor Lights Prism. And remember, these are very different than any of the lights you've seen before because they are individually 3 lights in there. So I have the app here. Right now it's in this nice rainbow arrangement. I'm gonna go here to look at some of these different colors, and I can do things like there's gradient fusion. Let's hit this one here. And you can see here the individual lights, right? 3 in each cluster. It's their brightest and most vivid outdoor lights, but you can see how it just, right, washes out that wall, just gives this nice looking theme. Let's try a different color here. Again, right? That's got some nice festive spirit to it. So now I'm gonna go to the actual festival scenes because, right, we've been showing you all these cool holiday lights. Let's see what Christmas looks like. Oh, and it's animated, right? They are individual lights, so there's like, that is so cool looking. Okay, let's try another one here. Let's try the other Christmas option, shall we? Oh, right, that one was just going in a row, but this one is kind of individually pulsing. That looks really sweet. But we are still not done yet. I'm gonna take this thing to the highest level possible. So you saw that I actually moved the tree, the cone tree light, over here on the corner, because now we're gonna take all the lights that you see here, right? The icicles, the curtain lights, the cone tree lights, and the permanent prism lights. And we're gonna create something you've never seen before. It's called SceneStage, and let's go here, and we're gonna start with the current lights. I'm gonna select them, okay? And then what I'm gonna go here is, there's an option here called SceneStage. I'm gonna hit that, and it's gonna ask me to add connected devices. So I'm gonna hit the plus sign, and yes, I'm gonna add the cone tree lights. I'm going to add the icicle lights on the garage. I'm gonna add the backyard prism lights. So we have this set, I'm gonna confirm this, okay? So now we have a layout. It shows me the current lights. I'm going to take my little cone tree and I'm actually gonna position it over here exactly where it's positioned on there. I'm gonna take my garage icicle lights and it's represented by this bar. I'm gonna pull them up top, right above the current lights. And then since the prism lights are kind of around surrounding us, let's just add this and I'm gonna put this a little behind us so it's gonna be around us, okay? I'm gonna hit confirm. Now this is what gets crazy here. Now we're gonna go back to we have this all set. Now we're gonna go back here to the menu where we have SceneStage. I'm gonna actually turn it on. And what you're gonna see here down below is, look at this. Icicle lights, it's moving. Look, it's all part of the same thing. This is crazy. Oh, okay. This is wild. Now, let's just change it to some like rotating triangle, like warp zone thingamajigger. That's wild. But let's get into the holiday spirit here. Let's try the Christmas tree. And look at that. The gifts are dropping, they're falling. You can see the icicles complementing them falling. That is freaking incredible. Let's do something and mix it up like here with the snowman. This is SceneStage in action, really assembling all these lights together to create a massive scene. And you can even see here the prism lights. This is beautiful. So that is wild stuff that we did outside. Let's just go back inside now and wrap this all up because we have our incredible lights here, right? We have the string lights. We have the Christmas tree lights. We have the Govee TV backlight, but I just feel like, you know what? Let's just sit down, relax, and enjoy the scene. And remember, all the lights that you saw here, you can check out the links in the description. Plus, Govee has the best Black Friday deals here, so giving you the best offers of the season. Check out all those links because you could have something that looks just this good, all right? We'll see you soon. I'm gonna kick back and relax.